morning! Today is a Saturday and we are going on a 5K easy run. We are running with Timothy today. He is a Nike Vomero 18. And yeah, gagamitin ko siya for the first time today kasi akala ko hindi umuulan. Hindi pa naman umuulan pero parang feeling ko uulan na siya in like a couple of hours. Sana hindi. So today, we are going west. Papunta tayo doon. It's yung daan na papuntang La Union. So I'm just gonna run 2.5 tapos balik lang din agad because my parents are leaving and I need to be home as soon as possible. So yes. 1 kilometer down. 9 minutes and 48 seconds. 1 kilometer, 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay. Yun. Walang araw for today kasi mabagyo. Okay, let's run ulit. Okay, done! Di ba, De? Andito na naman si Ude. De! B! Hello! Nakita kami sa palengke.